Red like fire burning bright, blue like the ocean deep at night. Orange sunsets fill in the sky, yellow sunshine makes you fly. Grooving with colors every day, fields of green where we play. Purple dreams paint in the night, colors bursting, feeling right. Pink like roses in the spring, black like nighttime silent ring. Brown like soil where dreams take root, white like snowflakes pure and cute. Grooving with colors every day, fields of green where we play. Purple dreams paint in the night, colors bursting, feeling right. Hey, like clouds on quiet days, rainbow shines through the haze. Colors splash wild and free, kids rocking with glee. Black and white, a classic duo, mix the paints and watch them flow. Rainbows where the magic hides, take the ride and hit those strides.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching!